going, guys? Welcome back to the Capital Mindset Show. It's going to be a quick update, this video. Basically, we all know what kind of happened this morning, and you guys all woke up to the news that, the certain kind of conflict going on in Eastern Europe. If any of you reside in that region, please stay safe. The whole point of investing is improving your own individual life, and you need to be safe and healthy and happy in order to do that. So that's my only comment. I'll leave other creators as to comment to the political implications of such an ordeal. I feel like for me, I'm going to stick to what I feel I'm competent in providing information. So that would be with investments and stuff like that. Actually, that actually segues good into this next announcement. As of yesterday, I didn't make any videos yesterday, and usually I like to make at least one video a day, but yesterday was actually really hectic in terms of work and stuff. So I couldn't get any videos out to you guys, but yesterday, the entirety of the Gazprom position had to be liquidated, unfortunately. And that had to do with, some potential legal implications as far as the sanctions go, that we didn't want that risk on our books. And I also, as an individual, didn't want that risk on my books. So, I am an American citizen, and therefore I must abide by American laws. And we're going to be consulting legal experts as far as what can be done if we want to own a Gazprom or anything like that. So we did make money on Gazprom, but just not, obviously at the peaks. This is a good example of how politics or international politics and international events can influence the returns of different companies. So had I had the crystal ball, I would have sold when it was, the $8 or $10 per share. Instead, I was only able to get a profit at about $6 per share. Today, I think it's down about 20-something%. And I think this is because everyone else is, also selling now. People were probably selling off before then and in anticipation for that, or the market was pricing that in. So that's kind of what we had with that. So as regard with the other oil positions, ConocoPhillips, I already, that's public information that I've been looking for the exit. You might look at the talking heads and they say you might want to transition over into oil. I'd have to disagree with them on that. When they usually start talking about getting into something, it's usually when I look for the exit as far as it goes, because they are usually like momentum investors anyways. They look at something that goes up and then they tell everyone that's a good thing to buy, right? Because it's, I guess, the easiest thing to say at the moment. So as far as the implications of oil, I want to remind everyone, and I've said this in videos regarding oil, you want to be careful because the United States is the unknown factor in this whole ordeal. The United States is what caused the oil trade to be really good, in my opinion. Not in my opinion. I mean, the stats do show that the capital investments necessary for oil extraction plummeted as soon as the current president came into office. And that could change at any moment. Okay, so that's what I would be careful of, because the risk reward, and when you do an analysis on oil, it's not there right now as it was at the moment of the victory. Okay, so I would say that if someone was interested in buying oil now, they have to consider those risks. And the United States, again, is the sleeping giant in regards to oil production. Of course, if things get worse over there in the Eastern Europe, oil supply